What's up guys, it is a beautiful day today and it is just so pretty outside and we are in Goldsboro. If you can't tell, we're actually at Matt's house. My buddy Matt, you guys have seen him a few times on the channel, not too much though, but we're going to be going to Busco today and we're taking not only the CRF110 but we're also taking the 80 out. Matt couldn't find a pit bike in time. He is looking for one, so we got to get him on one ASAP. But yeah, we're gonna go out to Busco, scout some stuff out, and I'm gonna tell you guys kind of some big announcements. So stay tuned, and I'll pick you guys up after the intro. All right, the JR80 is back in its first resting spot, dude. This is where it came to get revived. Yeah. This is Franklin's garage. Yeah, dude, I'm ready to rip. Are you ready to rip? What are you gonna rip first? I really just want to send the absolute crap out of the 80 on the kids' track.
Do it. The peg seems pretty good.
It kind of been out again.
Not too bad, but it's not the piece. I mean, worst case, break it off, we'll let it back on there.
Yeah, before I leave. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Dude, when are you going to get you a pit bike? Soon.
Soon.
You
got
a zip tie for this right here?
No, it has zip ties.
Oh, you ain't got any zip ties?
Oh, you missing what, the plastic piece?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put zip tie on.
Oh, sweet. Heck yeah. Well, we're going to load these things up. What are we taking?
I take the hard body.
The hard body? Hey, yo. We got a mini-sized truck towing 2 mini bikes with 1 mini miller. We're good to go.
Probably should make sure it started first.
What you think? It'll fit?
He said he wouldn't put it against the tailgate. I said, yeah, we probably should put the least expensive bike against the tailgate.
You got a key for it. That's good. Bro. Oh, it sounds like the Beamer a little bit, baby. All right. All right, let me get the camera. We'll get some stuff out of the Subaru and then we'll head over to Busco. We're literally 5 seconds from it. I'm so excited. The beautiful Busco Beach. We haven't been out here for so long. The last time we actually came out here, we were on pit bikes, right?
Yeah,
on these. I'm excited.
We got it running.
Yeah, I can't believe we brought it out here. We brought Groms out here, of all things. That was interesting.
Rode him out here.
Yeah, so I think the next time we come out, we should be on something with 4 wheels, hopefully. Maybe, if it comes in time. I'm really hoping so, but for right now, we got pit bikes, so let's unload them. They don't know yet. What? Know about what?
The 4 wheels.
Yeah, they know about the F4. Yeah, I got it on order. But they don't know what the big news is yet. And we're going to talk about that once we get on GoPro. Oh, got the freshy gloves on. They're going to get absolutely ruined today. I'm about to shred it on the 2-stroke in the sand. The thing's born ripper. This thing's pissed, dude. Got a full tank of gas in her. Oh. Should be a fun little day. We got no one out here at Busco. It is gonna be a ton of fun. I love coming to Busco on pit bikes. Honestly, there's a lot more to do than you think. Once I get on the other bike, I'll be able to do better wheelies. This was just sketchy with 2-stroke and all. Yeah, so since the last time we came, I've gotten different tires for this and like made sure it runs perfect now. So it's been super reliable for me lately. It's so much fun. We're going way faster than 5 miles an hour. Matt, you're going slow, bud. Do a few laps on this thing, dude. Matt, turn the gas off. Why did you turn the gas off? Oh, the bank's nice and hard. Oh, there's a Coke bottle. Watch out for the Dr. Pepper. It's not running as good anymore. What's that car doing? This bike is too much fun, dude. I just said it was riding so good, but now it's not. Dude, we gotta get this track better. Oh, it's so rutted, it's so bad.
This weekend, right?
Yeah.
Their car?
I don't know if you look at it. What happened here? Oh no. No way. I guess so. Bro, what? We found an abandoned car. Let's go back here to the 50-50 hole and see how it looks. Bro, we found a turtle. You gonna go put him over there? Is that a snapper? Yeah. You gonna put him over there? Saving turtles one day at a time. Oh, he went in the water. There used to be a giant hole right here. It's not that one. There was a giant hole right there last year that Braden got stuck in for so long. It was so crazy. Oh, it's really not that wet out here. It's not as wet as I thought it was gonna be. Dude, the 50-50 hole is like, I feel like getting its name back. It is, oh my God. It looks massive.
They probably dug out like crazy.
Yeah, probably after this weekend, you're right. Kyle's gonna have a blast on his Renegade this year. You wanna go this way? Then we can get to the power line this way, if I'm not mistaken. The river's really high. I want to go see how like high it is. I'm super glad to be able to come out here and make this video today. So beautiful outside. We got a little bit of time to play around on. Oh my God. Holy shit. It looks like they've been redoing the trails and stuff. Rap, rap, rap. Okay, I think I kind of know where we are. I think we can keep going this way, maybe. Oh, we're ripping, baby! See, you can't do none of this stuff at like Mud Bash or anything. I'm glad they're finally like grading this stuff too. It used to be really bad. I don't know if we're gonna be able to go this way. Oh, maybe so. Definitely gonna have to stop by the track, the MX track. Dude, it's up so high. Oh, did you see the fish? Dude, we need to bring our fishing poles next time. This thing is a little ripper. I'm ready for Matt to have a pit bike though, so I can ride my own. Hey, look where we are. Oh boy. Yeah, it's super dry out here. This used to be like, when the river's super high, it leaks into this right here, and like, all right, get a run up. I think you can skim it. I guess we go around, maybe. I think we're gonna head to the drag strip. We gotta send my ECU out to get tuned from Mini Moto Nation. They have the best tune, and then I gotta get a 42 sprocket for the rear, and then that 110 is gonna be super fast. I'll probably just keep this as like a memento kind of deal, and eventually get another CRF, just so my friends can ride with me and stuff like that when they want to come and do that. Overall, I think we're gonna go this way, maybe. We'll go this way. That way looks muddy. So I guess it's time to tell you guys about the news. So I've talked to the owners. Oh, river. So I have talked to the owners of Busco, and they are getting me to make a video for them for Mud Bash. It's kind of sick. I'm kind of excited to do a whole recap video for them, and also going to be vlogging for my channel as well. Gonna have a cameraman for myself for my channel. Hopefully gonna be on an X3. Oh, his brother. And hopefully we're gonna have the X3 so we can make some awesome content for you guys. I'm so ready to have that X3. You guys don't even know. All right, ready? Roll race. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, he's getting over me. That was pretty fun, not gonna lie. But yes, I am coming to Mud Bash 2022 in May, the 9th through the 15th. I'll probably be here. And some other big news is the other big announcement, which is the really big announcement. I'm going to be selling merch. Me and Kyle are going to share a booth. We got our trailer, and we're going to be selling merch out of it. I'm going to have 2 designs. Kyle's probably going to have 1 or 2 designs as well. And we're going to have a lot of fun. So I'm excited for you guys. If you guys would come by, stop by. I'll be over there chilling for a little while, probably throughout the day. So just come by and see me. I'm also thinking about holding an unofficial like pit bike race over here at the kids track or on the big track. I don't know yet. It'd be kind of funny just to do it like on Friday at like 6:30 or something like that, and just go out there and like mob the pit bike track and do like an unofficial kind of race. So I'm excited about that. Got some more dirt bike boys showing up. Oh, for sure sending that. Dude, that was sick. Dude, that was super fun. That's so much fun. Oh, this is such a fun day. I love coming to Busco. 3, 2, 1. I love how many gears this thing has. Nah, nah. Bro, you look fast. All right, you ready? Smart, get set, go! god! I had one more gear. I didn't know about it. What if I just went meow and just like launched it? That'd be funny. All right, you want to go do this, and then head back to the truck? But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are super excited about that. I am super pumped about it, and I'm gonna be so happy seeing all you guys out here again. It's such an awesome time. That's where JP crashed. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun mud bash. We got everybody coming. I mean, Braden, Garrett, Kyle, Luke, literally Christian, everybody is coming out and like having a lot of fun at Mud Bash. And there might be a few more people like Ryan or Vince from my channel coming out. It's gonna be super sick, so stay tuned, guys, because there's gonna be a lot more pit bike riding here lately, and you guys will be finally able to buy some of my merch. So we're making some new designs right now that's only gonna be available at Mud Bash, so you guys be sure to like come out, because this is gonna be sick. Oh man, this is gonna be such a fun Mud Bash. Dude, you gotta get a pit bike so you can come to a Mud Bash. Bro, this jet's going straight up in the air. Do a little wheelie on the way back to the truck. What a fun little rip day today. Like, this was a lot of fun. All right, let's try to do a wheelie from here all the way back to the truck. Get out of here, sky rats. Here we go, longest wheelie. Zach goes and Braden do wheelies here all the time. Gotta do a slower one. Too fast. Dude, I suck. Why do I suck at wheelies all of a sudden? You gonna put the crappier one on the back this time? Well, that was a ton of fun. We got the bikes loaded back in. Matt's gonna make us dinner now. Dude, you're making dinner. I like your hat, dude.
I like my hat.
What is it? Oh, where can you find that at?
ShopHaleyDeegan.com.
There you go. He's learning, so you can hang out soon. We'll see how it goes. Might have to introduce him. Anyway, guys, we're gonna head back now. Matt's gonna come visit in Charlotte. He's gonna bring in the GTI. We're gonna go on some fun roads. I gotta get a fun car again, and hopefully we're waiting another 1 month left until the X3. So we're hoping it comes in. Kyle, you know Kyle blew his up, right? Turbo.
Yeah,
Turbo blew, and they're supposed to get it in Friday.
What was the census on it? The turbo actually blew up?
It was a bad turbo.
Is it recalled? Okay.
Yeah. So it was supposed to come in on Friday last week, and they got back ordered to April 17th. Yeah, maybe we'll have X3s from Mud Bash. If not, we're gonna be riding pit bikes all the way around. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So guys, if you would like this video, we just hit 75K, so I'm super happy. It's been fluctuating between 74 and 75, but I think we finally hit it. So if you guys would, leave a like, comment, share this with your mother, brother, and each other. Yeah, to every other. And I'll see you guys next week. Donald Seuss?
Dr. Seuss.
Oh. I was like, who's Donald Seuss?
Bro, it's Dr. Seuss's brother.